Okay, on your dry erase board or on scratch paper, go ahead and try these two problems. Pause the video while you're working on them, and then when you've got answers, you can come back and we'll go over them together. So if we want to take 2 sine of 79 degrees, cosine of 38 degrees, and rewrite that as a sum, then we're going to use our identity that takes the product of sine and cosine and changes it into a sum. So we have a leading coefficient of 2, and then our identity is 1/2 times the quantity sine, and then we're going to add the angles. So 79 degrees plus 38 degrees. And then plus the sine of the difference of the angles, so 79 degrees minus 38 degrees. Okay, then we have out front 2 times 1/2, which is 1. So those will cancel. Then the sine of 79 plus 38, which is 117 degrees. And then sine of 79 minus 38, which is 41 degrees. Okay, neither of those are special angles on the unit circle, and we're going to go ahead and stop there, and that's been converted from a product into a sum. Okay, if we wanted to check that answer in the calculator, we would want to be in degree mode, and then we'll compare 2 sine of 79 degrees times the cosine of 38 degrees with the sine of 117 degrees plus the sine of 41 degrees. And notice our decimals are equivalent, so that answer checks. Okay, now in part B, we're going to take a difference of 2 cosines of different angles and convert that into a product using a sum to product identity for the difference of cosines. So we have a coefficient of 3 out front, and then our identity, -2 sine, and then we add the angles, so 15m plus 5m, all divided by 2, and that's times the sine of the difference of the angles, 15m minus 5m, all divided by 2. Okay, so in the front here we have a -2 times 3 is -6 times the sine, and then 15m plus 5m is 20m, divided by 2 is 10m, and that's times the sine, and then 15m minus 5m is 10m, divided by 2 is 5m. And that would be our expression written as a product of 2 sines.